Hey y'all, it's your girl Dorasia, and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna keep it real short and sweet this week because I'm really here to tell you that it is okay to do nothing. It is okay to take a break. It is okay to sit down with your feet cocked up and not do a damn thing. Because why do we look to gain our worthiness from our productivity, from the things that we are able to accomplish? Why is it that after working and being a mom and doing all that, and when you come home after work, you're like, okay, what do I do now? Why can't it just be, okay, I'm not going to do anything now. I'm going to relax and I'm going to enjoy it because I deserve it. Why? Well, I don't know. I'm sure some of y'all struggle with this, but why is it that when we have these thoughts, we categorize ourselves as being lazy and unproductive and not doing anything with your life, not accomplishing things? It is such toxic behavior, and why are we partaking in that? Who said that was okay? That is not okay. That is not healthy. Life is rough and life is full and we are busy. When you get the chance to slow down and stop and just freeze and not do a thing, take it. Don't feel bad about it. Do it without guilt because you deserve it. Why wouldn't you deserve that? Why wouldn't you deserve that? And I'm a little extra emotional because my boys are on a little trip. And this is like my first time. Well, this is my first time without being with them. And I'm sad. I cried like a little damn baby after I dropped them to the airport. And I know they'll be fine. Everything is gonna go be fine. But it's me. I'm just like, I'm gonna be lonely. I miss him. I'm always with my baby. And now he's not here. But girl, you're gonna be fine. Get over it. And with that being said, I go to work today and in my head, I'm like, okay, I'm here thinking, okay, should I go to the gym after work? I have a return that I need to make. Should I do that? Just all these things that I'm trying to make up to do. And I'm just like, no, you go home, you take a shower, you kick your feet up and do nothing. You've been up since 4:30. You've had a long day. You're tired. You deserve to sit and do not a thing. And I don't know, but it was just so hard to bring myself to that fact. To that fact of, yes, I deserve this. I deserve this. So why am I, what's the word? I always use the word. What's the word? Why am I depriving myself of what I deserve? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Anyways, this is just a quick little check-in because I've been slacking off. And this week, I'm going to get back on it. We're going to do some real recording and I'm going to give y'all some better content. But I feel like I do have to show up for you guys and just, show up when I don't feel like it as much as when I do feel like it, right? And if this is what I have, this is what I have. And if y'all rock with me, then y'all rock with me. And I appreciate that. So give yourself that break. Go get that massage because number one, massages aren't a luxury. They can actually help you with a lot of physical, they have a lot of benefits, okay? Take that break, go get that massage, go sit in your jacuzzi if you have one, kick your feet up, watch your favorite show on Netflix, and don't feel guilty about it. Do not feel guilty about it. You do not have to fill every second of the day with something on your to-do list. Don't forget it. You do not have to fill every second of your day with something on your to-do list. Or do like I did. I have a to-do list to get done for while these boys are away because I have the time to be focused and, no not distractions, but I can be focused. I'm not spread out, okay? My attention is not everywhere. So one of the things on my to-do list literally says nothing. That's on my to-do list. To do nothing is on my to-do list. And I suggest that you guys get into that. But yeah, that's my quick little word for today. I didn't really have much to say. Just that you deserve that break. You deserve that break. Take that break and don't feel guilty about it. Period. Because you know what you go through on a daily basis. Don't let anyone try to trauma shame you into making it seem like you have it good. Everybody lives their own individual lives, react to them in their own individual ways, and you deserve the right to dictate when you deserve a break or when you feel like you need a break. Because baby, if you don't take a break, sometimes your body will make you take a break for you, okay? And let's take a break before we get to that point. Let's take a break before we have to take a break, because sometimes it will not be pretty, okay? Stress and anxiety can manifest physically. Let's be preventative, okay? Let's not have to resolve things. Let's be preventative, let's be proactive, and let's get on top of that, okay? Like always, your mind is your only limit.